Look at this. Oh my gosh. The view though, we're so high up. Holy wow. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you. It's really big. The view is amazing.
Australia. Yeah.
I'm not even mad that there's no Wi-Fi. I'm kind of used to it by now. The only thing is that I have some uni stuff that I need to send, and obviously I have no Wi-Fi. I'll work it out somehow. But apart from that, the view is bloody amazing. I've probably showed you the view like 10 billion times already, but it is so nice. And the bathroom is massive. We're probably gonna go out to have dinner soon. I'm really hungry. And then we're gonna go see if there are any tours that we can book for tomorrow or the day after. And we also wanna go zip lining, which should be fun. Yeah, that's the plan for El Nido. So I just quickly changed and we're gonna go soon. Michelle, how are you feeling?
I'm okay. I'm a bit better.
Yeah,
I'm a bit more
that's good.
energetic today.
Okay, we're gonna go eat now. Filipino breakfast. We could come here for breakfast.
Yeah. This place looks really cute.
No service. Guys, I've been trying to reply to people and I can't because there's no service. So I'm sorry if I've seen you on Facebook, but I really can't reply to you. Not that I don't want to reply to you, okay?
No, she's just annoying. She's lying.
So we just got served this coconut dish and it literally tastes like chocolate. It's so delicious. It looks like this. Describe to them what it tastes like.
It's like coconut, because it is coconut, and it's coated in chocolate. So I think it's actually dipped in cacao or something, and they've like set it. But it tastes a bit caramelly.
So I just ordered this dish. It's called the chicken I'll put the name up here. Yeah, this is like a signature Filipino dish.
And what's in it?
It's just chicken and they add some like special sauce and rice. It's really simple, but apparently it's really good. And also we've almost finished the sweet coconut.
Yeah.
We've asked for more. We're gonna buy some more.
Yeah. Michelle was obsessed. My mango shake came as well. Came in this really cute red cup. Michelle got the spicy eggplant and rice. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So today is officially our first full day here in El Nido. Let me just open the door. I think it rained last night. Now we're gonna go eat breakfast. Hi guys, so I went back and changed into a t-shirt because we're going zip lining today, and I thought I'd be more comfortable in this attire. It's so beautiful even after it rained. Do you want one? The bananas are so small. Yeah. Michelle just went back to the resort to get more money, and then we're gonna go straight to the zip lining place. You can choose either to do it in a sitting position or the Superman position. I'm gonna do the Superman position because it seems more fun, and might as well. This is where we're gonna do zip lining. Oh my god! I have to think about this. I didn't think about it. It's okay. We're doing it at the same time. Oh my god! That was us before. That was us 5 minutes ago. It's so nice. It just seems like all your worries are non-existent here. It's so chill and serene. So we've come for lunch and me and Michelle ordered the exact same thing. Vegetable fried rice and a watermelon shake because we're obsessed with watermelon at the moment. Michelle just tipped over my watermelon drink. Oh my god. It's okay.
Sorry, oh my god. Thank you.
Michelle, why are you such a klutz? That is all. Goodbye. Just got back to our resort just to freshen up, you know, relax a bit because it was super hot, and we walked quite a lot after zip lining. We walked along this really nice beach and then we hiked up this mountain to get back and get a tuk-tuk to our resort. So we were like sweating buckets. So we're gonna go to this rooftop area near our residence to do some photos because there's a really beautiful view. So this was the rooftop that I was talking about. It's so freaking nice. So this was the veranda that I was talking about. The view is bloody amazing. You can see the whole beach from here. This, guys, is golden hour. That's what golden hour looks like. It's literally picture perfect. Today is the tour day and we specifically picked the private tour, so it's just me and Michelle and the tour guide. So I'm hoping everything goes well. That's our captain. Starfish. So this is the boat we're on today, and that's our captain and that's his assistant. So we've come to Snake Island because there's like a sand bar that looks like a snake. secret looking.